I might die at this point. I just woke up and then I see they have released even more thing from Blizzcon, and I'm a dying, broken man right now. There's way too much things for one man to stand. But anyways, we're gonna watch it because I'm actually super excited. And there's two things I'm really interested to watch. One is the origin story of Moira, the new hero that is coming for Overwatch. As well, Overwatch releasing Blizzard themed skins and a new map. And we're gonna watch the map and all that things first here. And the new map is Blizzard World. And I saw a little bit of the trailer of it, so but we're gonna watch it right away because honestly I'm actually super curious to see more of that map. Coming soon is Blizzard World, new hybrid map.
Where you took your first steps in Azeroth. Where you confronted the Lord of Terror himself. Where you spawned your first Zergling rush.
Oh my god.
Sometimes, epic memories can only be made in an epic world.
Oh my god!
Your adventure.
Seriously?
Your community. Your memories. See them come alive in your world. Blizzard World.
Epic fun detected.
My fucking god!
Well met.
Lost.
Stay a while and listen.
Second cave!
Come and visit Blizzard World. New adventures are waiting for you.
I can't wait to get on some rides.
For the Horde!
What the fuck are you saying, Torbjörn? You're a dwarf. You're an alliance, if anything. I could really feeling my voice slowly dying there, but oh my fucking god, that map, that freaking map, it really reminds me of all the things, of all the games I've been. I mean, it really going back to all of these things that Blizzard have been creating for so many years. All of these amazing games, from World of Warcraft to Warcraft and StarCraft and everything of these things. Seriously, it's awesome, and this entire map. I mean, silly. I would love a real place like this, Blizzard World. I mean, fuck Disney World. I would go Blizzard World any day. That would be so freaking cool to see. I would love that. And of course, with that, we'll have released skins for Blizzard World. And honestly, I'm super excited because I've been wanting skins from different games for Overwatch. That would be so freaking cool. And if Torbjörn don't get a dwarf skin from some of the bronze bear dwarves, I will be fucking sad. We gotta
Installing updates.
Oh my god! Ronas,
Update
right?
installed.
Yo!
Really, take a look at that.
Isn't it? Magni, oh my god!
Well, you must
Oh, seriously? No, oh my god.
What did you expect?
Oh, seriously?
That's natural.
That is fucking sick!
That's more like it.
Oh,
Battle.
yeah, that, oh my god. But, oh my god!
Live with honor. Die with glory. The Crusaders are
Oh man!
of Germany.
That is awesome!
We're on our way.
Wait! Yo!
A good one.
Man, that is so cute! I love it! Oh my gosh! Seriously? No, oh my god. That was some... Oh my fucking god. That was so insane. I fucking love it. Seeing all of these... They need to do more skins like that. Seriously, the entire concept of it is so freaking cool. I love it. I mean, Bastion, he could be one of the tanks, you know, siege tanks. Sergeant Hammer, he could be freaking fucking hammer! And instead of a bird, they have a little human that is... Okay, that would be pretty weird, but still though, that would be so sick! And I do love the fact that Widowmaker got a Nova skin when Nova have a Widowmaker skin in Heroes of the Stone. that is pretty witty. I love that. And except for that Torbjorn got Magni Bronzebeard skin, I'm insanely excited for Doomfist getting Black Hat. That was actually insanely fitting. That was a good one. That was insane. Can't wait to see more of these skins and all that. But now we're gonna jump to the third and last video of this series. Seriously, this Blizzcon have been a freaking blast watching. I love every ounce of it so far. I wish I could be there watching it with everyone out there. And we're gonna check out the Moira origin story. Is it like the, you know, one of the Dark Dwarfs in World of Warcraft? Was it the female leader named Moira? I remember something like that. We're gonna jump right into this. I'm really... Moira.
We stand on the brink of a breakthrough in human evolution. I have dedicated my life to unraveling its secrets.
Oh my.
I take risks that others would consider to be unwise.
It's a bunny!
For I do not share their caution. Overwatch held back the pace of scientific discovery for decades. They believed my methods were too radical, too controversial, and they tried to silence me.
Oh my.
But there were others in the shadows, searching for ways to circumvent their rules. Freed from my shackles, the pace of our research hastened. Together, we delved deeper into those areas forbidden by law, by morality, and by fear. New patrons emerged who possessed an appetite for my discoveries. And with this knowledge, what new world could we build?
Okay, that was freaking shivering, man. That was, I mean, serious. I love. Okay, that explains how Reaper got his shadow ability, shadow form, and all that. It's because of her that being. And I think it's so fucking awesome that Talon, the evil people, finally got a healer, because before they didn't have a healer. For those that haven't seen, there is pretty much a meme that Reaper, Widowmaker, and everyone is getting like their ass kicked, like, yeah, we need a healer. And now they finally have one. And that reminds me, there was a little video of showing a bit about her ability. I must say I really love her, the concept of her with being this. I mean, she's like, I don't know why, but she in that sense reminds me of Mercy, but the opposite of Mercy in that sense that she like go in there, we gotta do this. Nothing would stop me from making these things. And then she take a little diva rabbit and transform it to some murderous soup. A new Overwatch hero, the mutated super bunny named Ruffle Stomper. Blizzard, hire me. I can make new Overwatch heroes if you want that. Ruffle Stomper will be an amazing new hero the world never seen before. The world will probably just laugh at me, but I'm a mad scientist, I don't care. I'm laughing back at them. Oh, my cold is killing me. Okay, this is the last video, I'm terribly sorry, but I do know there is lots of already videos about Moira gameplay and how she worked like, but there was a reveal trailer that I'm interested to check. I haven't seen that one, so I decided to watch it and give my thoughts and a little bit of analysis on this new character. Oh jävlar vad du var högljudd.
We are bedeviled by the mysteries of creation.
Oh really?
Science can reveal the truths that lie behind these many questions. What we learn can unlock the true potential of humanity. to the shadows. Tell me how this feels.
Okay.
I'll heal you.
Damn, what the?
I will unmake you. Simple geometry.
Lights out.
Surrender to my will. Allow me to repair the damage. I feel unstoppable.
Oh my god.
My will made real.
Holy sweet bananas. Okay, I assume her ult was obviously is the beam, and from my understanding, it damage enemies and heal allies. So it's gonna be, that's gonna be very interesting to see. It kind of reminds me of Anna, you know, that her attacks either heal allies and damage enemies, but this beam like level. I can't make laser effect, but imagine laser effect. And then her other abilities, having the ball following and healing, like kind of reminds me of Senjata, but you know, instead of healing one, it can heal multiple and damage multiple enemies and things like that. And then having that blink ability, it's like Reaper but better and faster. I don't know really. Obviously, I would not give my entire judgment on this character until I tried her out for the first time as well. I'm though curious about seeing how she will work with the rest of the characters and seeing what her abilities, how they will work and all that. Because I'm a bit wondering about some of her abilities seem similar to other characters in the game already, but. Obviously there will still be a bit difference, and of course some characters will somehow be similar to each other and all that, but still though, I'm curious to see how it will be and in general about her character and all that, and also of course seeing more lore revealing with her. For a game that doesn't have a single player campaign or anything like that, Overwatch have insane amount of lore, and I love that. Makes the game freaking more interesting like than Counter-Strike or anything like that. Not that I have anything against Counter-Strike. It's not. I played sometimes myself, and it's not my kind of game really in the end. But I really love Overwatch. I really love lore and things like that. But well, now I'm finally gonna end this, and I will be back with more reaction video, let's plays, and everything of all other in between heaven and hell. So thank you everyone. See you later on, and most of all though, have a continued super great day.